Hello guys, welcome to Pharma channel. Contract research organization question contains the organization structure and its management. So we have to write the definition, roles and responsibilities, organization structure. We have to write some points in each team and their work and the management process. For everything I have given the quotes. This is the question of the M.Pharmacy. So we have to write the definitions. What is the definition? Means the contract research organization is independent clinical research service company that performs the clinical trials on the behalf of the sponsor. So this is the work which is done by the CRO in the behalf of the sponsor. And then the sponsor may transfer all or the sum of its works to the CRO. Sponsor will be giving work to the CROs and the final responsibility will be remained with the sponsor. Sponsor is the whole responsible for the work, but the CRO is an part-time job or employer which helps in the drug development along with for the sponsor. So we CROs like what? IQVIA, Parexel, Icon, LabCrop, and then purpose of what? What is the purpose of the CRO? So it has to reduce the cost and reduce the time of the drug development and manage the multi-country global business. So coming to the responsibilities and the roles, we have a code like PPDDRR match off. So what is the P? What is the P means the protocol development. The CRO is involved in the protocol development and the scientific support of it. And the product. What is the product means? Investigational product. Sorry, this is the product. Investigational product management. What is that means? The drug, the new chemical entity or the drug itself is called as the investigational product. Okay, and then the project management. So they have to do the project of the conducting trials and the data management, the data which is obtained from the trials they have to manage it, and then document maintenance. They have to maintain the documents which come from the trials, and the reporting of the safety data, that is like ADRs, should be reported to the higher authorities. By whom? By the CROs itself. And the regulatory submission, they will take the responsibility of the regulatory submissions to market the product. And they also involved in the monitoring of clinical trials conduct. They have to monitor and they have to conduct the audits, that's like inspections they have to conduct, and they also have to train the personals which are there in the clinical research organization, and they have to also take care of the finances in the behalf of the sponsor, right? And then we have the team members who are present in the clinical research organization. Means the code is like MCQ DRL means like Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and whole square, not one. The L should be repeated 2 times. So what are the things which are there in this team members? Like management, project management. They have to take care of the project management. The team will be there to manage the project. They are the business side of that, which bringing the clients to the CROs. And then the C, clinical operations, like clinical trial assistants and clinical research associates, etc. A quality assurance team. So what are this quality assurance team? They will be conducting audits or inspections in the CROs or the sites at the site. What is the site? The site which is there where the clinical trial investigator is present. What is the investigator? Means the doctors which are there and the patients who are taking the drugs, they are present in the site. They will be conducting audits at the site, so they will be knowing whether they are following the protocols or not. That's it. And the D, data management team, biostatistician, like we know about the SAS programmer, etc., to analyze the data. This team analyzes the data. And then we have the regulatory affairs team and leadership, like they are the superior ones, like the executive leadership members like CEO, COOs, VP operations, like VIPs, let's say. And logistics, like vendor management. They have to get the IP, right? Investigational product. For that, they purchases are under the control of this vendor management team. And coming to the management process, how the management of CRO is done means BQVPPRCCC. This is the code for that. So BQVP RCCC. Okay. Then coming to the BQVPPRCCC. B means the budget management pricing plan. They have to decide at which budget they have to work for the clients, like the sponsors. At which cost, they have to work for the sponsor. And the quality assurance and quality control, SOPs, kappa, they have to manage all these things, and they have to manage the vendor selections and the qualifications. And the performance matrix, they have to check the deviation rates. They will be conducting, they will be working on 10 projects at a time, so they have to manage how the deviations are done. Deviation rates means the movement from the protocol to non-protocol works, like the deviations from the protocols, that's it. And the project kickoff, in case of the risk which are there, they have to manage the compensations of that. They have to manage the losses also. And the risk management, they have to predict the risks, and the closeout or achieving, like database lock, they have to do in the last. And they have to be they have to manage the communications between the cross-functional groups and teams, and they have to conduct the trials, and it's monitoring. This is the main step of the clinical research management. So each term we have to explain in detail, and more matter, if you want more matter, you can write in detail about each of the topic.